Studying at uni is an awesome experience, and with so much happening, it's a great idea to get a few tips in terms of how to navigate your way through university.
Socialisation is a big part of uni, and it would definitely help further in the degree with your assignments and tests.
I just really put myself out there. It's a bit hard, but I think you just got to push it a little bit and just say, hi, like this is my name.
Probably join clubs and probably try to get in more guild activities.
Just getting yourself involved in different things, like just talk to people, go to the gym. I don't know, I like the gym, do different sports. There's so much stuff going on all the time.
Plan what you've got ahead of you. Join the guild as well. You pay $2.90 for a regular skinny flat white.
So those guild discounts, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
Probably just attending all your classes is actually quite important even in first year. They might not seem relevant, but they're sort of the building blocks of what you learn.
I think the best thing you can do is just make as many friends as you can with your cohort and like people who's in your class and your tutorials and that sort of thing. Get all your books together, find your classes together. So I think that's the most important thing, is trying to make friends.
You can have like maybe buddy to study, motivate you to study as well. Like instead of like study last minute, don't study last minute. Yeah, that's
Try not to be shy. I mean, as hard as it is, like I struggled in like my undergrad, but then you come to realise like who cares?
Yeah.
Like yeah, just have a good time. Really, don't take anything too seriously.
Curtin always puts on events and everything where everyone can participate. And like, oh my god, food on campus.
Going to the TAV for happy hour, that's always a good time.
There's so many opportunities at uni, and you don't want to finish your degree and not have taken advantage of anything else that Curtin has on offer.
Remember, it's your student experience, so make the most of it. Get involved, get amongst it, and see you on campus. Bye!